Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this error on my screen right now. Epic Game Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. Most of the time that this error is happening is because the installation is not really complete or it has been corrupted. So the first thing I want to do right now is basically check on your Windows update. So this is a screenshot by the way. I'm going to type in my Windows right there. I'm going to type in update. I'm just checking for updates as of now. And as you can see right there, my PC is up to date. So please do so and check that one, and maybe there is a pending update on your end that needs to be enabled. So once that's done, I'm gonna go right now and go to my application or task manager. Let me just remove this one. Perfectly right there, all my folders. Alright, so this is gonna be my desktop, right? Now to go to the task manager, you can basically type in here task manager, or just right click on your taskbar and go in here. So supposedly on your newer versions for Windows 11, there should be a button right there that says add new task. However, since I'm still gonna be on Windows 10, if I click file here, there would be a run new task there. It will now look for app data. And now the thing right now is you need to look for your Epic Games Launcher. So as you can see right there, there is my Epic Games Online Services. Now if you cannot really find it, it's gonna be right there, alright? Now simply choose this one right there. As you can see, just simply choose this one, open it up, and right now it will be on administrative control. Basically, you're giving it or you're pushing it for admin. Other ways to do that one is right click on your launcher and then run as administrator. This is the fastest way, again guys, that will be right clicking it and run as admin, giving it full power on your installations. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.